It's 6:40 in the morning, Saturday morning. We are going down southeast, in fact. And here's our Komodo in my garage. So when I said let's collaborate, I had visions of lakes and mountains and sunshine. Instead, we've got a polar vortex. It's day after tomorrow. We're going to freeze to death. What is it, -5?
-6.
-6!
-6. Fresh.
Bikes. Can you get in a garage? Pan America.
We're going out.
Do it. Loading up his truck. Oh dear. Oh, look at that, clear skies, dude. As you can see, I've already slid off the drive this morning. Cameraman's here. If I'm a bit muffled, it's because I've got my face mask on. Right, we've got to try and get off here now. I've got my heated gear on, and bottoms, and top. Oh, sugar. Right. Oh, this is, oh dear gosh, this is hilarious. They've all got bloody off-road Pandal Americas. Pandas! And here's me on a frickin' diner. Diner life, bro. Diner life. Coming by. Shit me. Alright, let's go. Oh, into the abyss. Steady, -5. This should be a bus route, so in theory it's not slippy-ish. We're okay, as long as I stick to the non-dark areas, like that patch there, look. Hilarious, mate. Won't be hilarious, but back end goes and I'm off. Oh, it's cold! I've got my visor up! Woo-hoo! Woo! Sun's not even up, look, yet. Oh. So hopefully you can see in the dark. I'm using my Drift XL Pro, the Ghost XL Pro, with an external microphone. I'm lovely and warm. It's -6, -5, -6. Oh, bloody warm, I tell thee. I'm cooking. This is lovely. Thanks, Keys, and Oxford for the suit. I've got all my vents closed. I might open my vents because I'm sweating a bit now. Apparently, it's going to snow. First pickup. My boys should be here. Come on, where's bodyguard Carl? He's there, look. So we're just going to wait here, I reckon. I said one thing. Just wait, don't take your gear off. He's totally stripped down. He's pretty much in a mankini. Now he's having to get fully dressed again. And we're sat in the middle of the road, like retrobates, with an Asbo. Come on, bodyguard. Tasty Carl. Look at him, look. He's going to set his music up yet. He's going to listen to music up motorway. I'm glad I cleaned my bike. Oh my god, every red light. It's ridiculous, man. Right, motorway. Head down, ass up. Maybe not so much ass up because it's slippy. Let's go. Woo! Yes, bro. Oh, who ordered the fog? We're just having a laugh now. Let's throw everything at you. Throw some ice, throw extreme cold. Well, it's not extreme, it was -5. No, let's throw some fog at you. Oh. Where is everybody? We're in the rear view. What's the matter with you all? You're all on bloody adventure bikes. There's me on a bloody dinosaur. Oh wow. Visibility equals 2 yards. I can just see in front of me. I bet this camera can see further than I can. This is ridiculous. Oh me. I'm getting in left lane. I'm going to slow down a bit, I think. Show us your visor, dude. Cameraman. Hey? Bring your visor. Nice.
I've got really poor visibility.
Oh my word, you're crying, dude. Is it cold?
Whose idea this fucker?
I don't know. What's the matter with you all? Ah, Martin's got some spray. Yeah. Get the spray out. Spray it. Get the sex wax out. Who said take your helmet off? Put that fucker back on. First breakdown ever of a helmet. Helmet breakdown. You are a helmet. We're being YouTube. Don't go blow that up at all. It's your helmet. We're being YouTubed, look. Oh my god. YouTubers. Mate, we ain't got time for this YouTube stuff. Mate, dude, we ain't got time for this YouTube crap. No, we ain't got time for YouTube. Come on, let's go get some breakfast. Come on. I don't know where the exit is, so I'm just going through HGV. Because my bike's big enough. I think they've actually gone the right way and I'm going the wrong way. God, we not even got to services yet. We're in the wrong services. Fuck, no, it's bloody snowing. Shit. Nobody forecasted chuffing snow. Mate, come on. Oh, and just like that, it stops. What's going on? Remember this polar vortex? I think Carl's nipping off home. You can't get home with his help. Do it. Oh, we'll go. Adios, Carl. Bloody ice on my helmet. It's ridiculous. Freezing up. Jesus. It's freezing fog. Jeez. Look. Look at that.
Subway breakfast. We're all cold. I don't know what Alkamoto's doing. He's on his phone. He's texting women. Reels. He's doing reels. I've got a Subway breakfast, but I'm not quite sure what it is. What's this?
That is my finger warmer.
He's going to be carrying that on his bike to keep his fingers warm.
You're not far from wrong.
He's got a cold helmet.
Right then, switch my keys on. Oh, come on. Yeah, awesome. I'm all on. My pants are on. My jacket's on. I am ready. As always, he's still messing about. Get on your bike. Oh. Oh, bruh. Right, to Diddley Squat Farm. We've got an hour and 20 minutes. I don't think our cameraman is going to make 100 hour and 20 minutes. Not with his gloves. Oh, God, code. Woohoo! Yeah, bruh! Look at Nigel Mansell here, look. Come on, demon speed. Oh, look at all the crap coming out back of my bike. She runs out, does me own diner. Oh, look at them, look, queuing up to do drive-through at Costa. Do you need coffee that bad that you can't get out your car? You're mentalists. These guys are enablers. I'm just letting you know. There's no intervention when I said let's do this ride. They just went, yeah. Which, I don't know if that's because they're awesome mates or they're just as crackheads as I am. Bitch! Yes! Have it. What's Alkamoto doing? What's he doing? Right now, you're probably wondering, or you're not, but I'm going to tell you what you should be wondering. Why am I in the middle of Coventry? So, at some point on the motorway back there, Alkamoto overtook me, didn't have his sat-nav on, forgot to let me come past, and took us down the wrong hole. What the? What are you trying to do here, mate? Fucking Iceman! Don't take them out. You got to hold them. Well, your grip's not warm. Oh, is that your GoPro? Oh dear. We are struggling with the cold. The cold! Look at the dirt on the cocaine train. It's no longer the cocaine train, it's the dirt train. Dirt, man. Dirt. Oh my god, that's frozen on! Oh. We've not got to Diddley Farm yet, but we will. We will. How long we got? 20 minutes left. God almighty, this is a slog. That fog, we've been in it since the start. It's just cut right through everything. However, guess who's coming out to play? Listen. How picturesque is this, look? Shows you how cold it is. It's still frosty. It's like nearly 11 o'clock. Look at this. Beautiful, man, beautiful. I can't see anything because the sun's in my face. It's not good. I need to get my sunglasses on. It's incredible. Oh. There's more freezing fog over there, look. Oh, look at it there, look. Look at that. Oh. Lovely, bro, lovely. beauty! Oh, filling up with the fuel. Performance fuel. What's that? Wait, what's that? Oh, is it frozen? Don't break your key, don't break your key.
No, it needs to go down further into it, but it's...
Oh. Oh my god. We're having a day today, dude. Let's just throw them in the let's just throw the bikes in a hedge and catch train home.
Fuck off. That can't be true.
How bizarre. Oh, shut up. Oh, alarm's gonna go off, innit? I can't cope with life today. Alright, mate, alright. Let's put a bit of juice in. She don't really need any. I don't know what these guys are doing. So, 28 layers. I want to go to the bathroom. Let's get stripped off. Oh my god. The maximum bro slag is here. Dude! Dude, bring it in.
You should have come past my yard, man.
Oh man, we're having issues all round. All round issues. Oh, we figured it.
Yeah, look at it, it was frozen.
Was it frozen?
Yeah, but now I don't know where I have put that one of yours.
Oh god, dude. Oh mate.
Oh, there's a fuel in the bike though.
Just fuel up. Oh. Yeah. Oh. Fucking math piece. Oh, I don't know if you can see just all the dirt. Look at it. 'Tis toasting out, sun's out. Oh. Right, let's get to where we're going. There's my boys. Glad I'm not the only one that's not on an adventure bike. Oh, some nice keys gloves there, sir. The only bike anybody will ever need. Look at it go. Everybody else is crying. I'm just like... Adventure bike? You mean a utility bike? I'm having an adventure. He's not. He's having a nightmare. He's got a nightmare bike.
If we had tons of spare cash to have 20 bikes in the garage, I'd probably have a diner somewhere in there.
Diner. Diner for life. Diner for life, bro. Diner, bro. Come on, Chris, you big slag. Right then, apparently our destination. Hey, who's this? Who's this? Dude! Oh shit. Yeah. So this is where we're going. Ooh, oh, Diddley Squat Farm Shop. Booty. Is that a queue for the toilets? Are you having a laugh over there? Oh my god. Oh, here we come. Ooh, oh, nice and foggy. Just how we love it. Oh, don't get me away, bro. Bro. Oh, the man that we lost. We lost you. I know. Oh, mate, don't. We've had breakdowns. We've had... Everything's gone wrong. Oh. Can't see anything. Oh, it was even that bad that Leon's petrol cap froze shut. No, mate, I'm not joking. I wouldn't joke about stuff like this.
Lee, I just thought of how's the boy, mate.
He's here, look, is he?
I said to her, I think I'm going to go in truck and go and eat it. It was a good idea, go and do it.
Look at that. Oh.
There were like 2-3 mil of frost on my visor, mate.
Yeah, we've had to keep stopping and wiping. It's been emotional. Yeah, come and take a picture in front of this sign. Give me your phone. Go and stand in front of your sign. Yeah, just give me the phone so I can take a photo. Stop playing with yourself. Boss phone. Hang on. 3, 2, 1. Bosh. Just check that, because I'd lie down, but I'd get covered in crap. Here, Martin, come here. Take a photo with. Take a photo of the crew. Come on, get in, Leon.
You're better off like that.
No, who cares? Everyone knows what it is. Three, 2, 1. Okay, sideways on. Give it to me, baby. Yes! Make love to the camera. Give it to me. Ah, you're sexy. Oh. Yeah, okay. Where's my camera gone? Oh, you son of a bitch. Nick my phone, look. You fucking knob. Knobber. Touch me, baby. Yeah. Oh, yes.
Yeah,
There's all trapped.
where's Jezza anyway?
We're all here, look. We're all here. The gang's all here. Look at him.
Made it!
Look at him, look. Give me the camera.
Have you finished breaking down?
Yes.
Have you?
Hands are all fucked.
You've been as unreliable as your bike, man.
I feel it today. I feel old.
Look at the line on your head. Oh my god.
Right, we need coffee.
Yeah.
This man here, this legend here, look.
Yo, yo.
Turned back round because he couldn't see anything, and then turned up in his truck. I don't know what them trousers are, mine.
Sexy, mate.
Yeah.
Tasty car.
Tasty call. It's 5, and Chris has come with an open face. Legend.
Visor doesn't fog up
Yeah.
if you don't have one.
Yeah.
This is true. Right, coffee time.
He's going in. He's in. We're in the shop.
What can we buy? What can we buy?
What are you buying?
I don't know.
You got an empty pan here. You got to fill it with something. Here, I'll fill it with some
Cow juice?
cow juice. What's this? Oh, look, some Hawkstone.
I know, I won't get that in though.
No. We're in the entrance.
Today, I am Alcamoto's cameraman.
Hello.
No, do you want a calendar? Okay. Some coffee.
Oh, some coffee. Today's cameraman is buying coffee.
California Reaper.
It's the perfect thing for you over there. Fudge.
Oh, get on yourself. I was going to come back with I'll fudge you, but then that just sounds even worse.
California Reaper sausage.
Oh, hot sausage.
Hot sausage.
Jeremy sausage.
Whose cameraman are you now? Are you my cameraman?
He is.
That's my cameraman.
Cameraman.
He's not even got the camera.
Are we recording?
Yeah.
I think so.
Fudge. What are you buying? What are you buying, cameraman?
Fudge.
You buying fudge?
Fudge.
You did just want a farm shop with the posse.
I've got a snotty nose.
Recording the recorder.
Some stash. Coffee. And.
You didn't.
Get ready. Get ready.
You didn't.
Get ready.
Scotch egg.
Score.
Nice.
Loot. So the weekend involved diddly squat, bike shed,
diddly squat.
diddly squat, Folkestone, and then ride back via Caffeine and Machine. But the weather, thanks to Alcamoto,
Not looking good.
it's going to be frozen, raining, snowing, a couple of death blows.
So I've got a suggestion.
Cameraman, put the camera on yourself.
Where I'm from, when the weather is shit, we bry.
So I suggest we go Brian.
That's a great idea.
What are you thinking?
I've got enough wood.
We're
got
going to
loads.
ask Alcamoto
Yeah.
what he thinks.
I mean, I don't give a shit, but I mean, it could get dangerous.
It's going to get dangerous.
You know what I mean?
I've got New York next weekend.
If we were in our 20s, we would be going fuck it.
But they might not let him on the plane if he's got his arms in both casts like
What
this.
about you, Chris?
I think you're all pussies. Nah, it's going to be snowing tomorrow. It's too fucking hot.
What does the cameraman think besides Brian?
I want beer. I like his plan the best.
Back up Derbyshire out around Belper. Some food and some drinks.
What is Belper?
Belper.
Belper bra.
What's that?
Nice quaint Derbyshire town, mate.
Belper.
Lovely.
Stunning place.
Sounds like something
I think
you
we've
get
been
done to you in
thwarted,
prison.
man. We've been thwarted. There's blizzard tomorrow. Polar vortex.
Nestled in this peak.
It's gonna kill us.
Beautiful.
I'm going home.
Yeah.
We're going home, Martin.
That was going home. Down to me. I went up to come back down to go back up.
I'm going home. I'm selling my bikes. I'm done. Done.